breaking their records, they cannot manage. I'm never claiming a gang for sec, you can have it. Yeah, ain't fake to forget it. Came with a porch, it ain't rented. Where are my manners? Gabo almost Usimamane, lentwana, iyi'ghost, kundil for the cons, I shembe. They got me whooping these little niggas bad, I just feel like they parents. Don't ever meet my standards. I'm super slime, green mumber. I am no one-hit wonder. Still on that press, push ponder. Say you the shit, what to me, we slammer. Sorry, my mama, they got me mad. I'm really sorry. Boy, I'm using two and amber. Just out to deal with Converse. I let these bum niggas know that we run up the comers. Niggas, I dare y'all to fuck with me. Made a hit and yo thought it was luck, did another one, so yo don't fuck with me. Let's be honest, you niggas don't fuck with me. Some of you niggas are hating for none. Yo hating because you go tryna fuck with me. Niggas hate, they mommies in love with me. Well, I don't give a fuck, bro, these niggas the dammer. I say the game it was close to an end. Made a hit without touching my pen. Always say that I came from the trench in the sweetest way, but no one can come to these ends. They hated me only cause it's a trend. Yo, my family never calling you fans. Yo made me platinum and platinum again. Foot on the neck, zoom in, big grand couch. Quit that talk, go get it. If you funny Molly, go